Hello, dear friends. This is Flora from Zenshin Ikebana School. As you can see right now, I just made 2 tubes wired up with aluminum wires, which I enjoy creating this structure for my experimental Ikebana, let's say modern style or freestyle, and I already filled in water, so I continue in one tube, so I will continue filling the next one and then get some nice flowers from my garden to see what comes out. Okay, I just filled in the water to the second tube with this bottle. I found very practical to put in water in this tube. Hello, dear friends. Now I can show you the finished Ikebana I've done with very simple aluminum wires with 2 glass tubes. Not much materials, but we try to create the same topic, like here, this pattern. So we start from here, and then you can see how your eyes move, and it comes out from here. So that's the design of this freestyle Ikebana. Hope you enjoyed it. Then see you next time.